Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Masud Rana. Welcome back again in a new video of 100 topic speaking practice channel series. Now it's time to talk about topic number 17 as I have already covered topic 16 so far. I'm really excited to be here. So what is the 17th number topic? The topic is shirts. I will be talking all about shirts in this video. So without further ado, let's get the ball rolling. A shirt is something we wear on our top half. Most shirts most shirts have sleeves, a collar, and buttons down in front. We can find many kinds. Some are fancy for special events, others are casual like t-shirts or polo shirts. They come in different materials like cotton. Basically, a shirt is a very common piece of clothing for our upper body. So this was the topic that I talked about in this video, and I practiced my speaking English, and I'm going ahead to accomplishment of my speaking practice challenge. So thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.